Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this succulent oven roast chicken and potatoes. It is so tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's just go ahead and get started. I'm using about 4 soft chicken legs. I have cut and make incisions in them, some chili powder, some black pepper, rosemary. This is fresh rosemary. Okay, you can check the description box for measurements. Some vegetable oil, garlic powder, paprika powder, oregano, dried thyme, some salt. I'm running out of salt. Some chicken seasoning cube, potatoes, and some carrots. So we'll start off by seasoning and allowing the chicken to marinate. I add some paprika, rosemary, black pepper, chicken seasoning cube. You can check the description box for measurements. Some oregano, garlic powder, dry thyme, chili powder, some salt. Then we're going to gently massage this into the chicken like so. Just gently massage it in, rub it in the places you make the incision. You can see like so, just massage it in. Okay, this will enable the chicken to have a nice flavor and taste so good. Yeah. So after that is done, we are going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil. This will help the chicken not to dry out. Yeah, just rub it in again, and then we're going to cover this with cling film and allow this to marinate for at least 2 hours. I did for 3 hours. If you do overnight, that is amazing. So while the chicken is getting ready, we prepare the vegetables. We chop up the carrots, chop it up in a big chunk, yeah, to make it bake evenly. Okay, just go ahead and chop all of them up according to the size of your family, the size of people you are making for. Okay, this was for I and my brother, so I'm going to chop the potatoes as well, just like so. Just chop them evenly to help them to cook. Okay,
if I was smart, I'd find you a star and we could be in love.
So when that is done, we are going to season the potatoes by adding some paprika, rosemary, some chili powder. Okay, it will give it a kick. Some dried thyme, some salt, seasoning cube. Okay, and I added some black pepper as well later on. Some vegetable oil. If you use olive oil, that's also fine. Just gently mix this in. Okay, this potato will have so much flavor. Added some more salt. Yeah, black pepper. Yes, I did add some onions. What's rules without onions? Don't forget. So chop it up in big chunk. This will help the onions not to burn in the oven. Just chop them up like so, and then add it in the potatoes, and then mix it up. Okay, let it also coat with the ingredients. Yeah, okay, mix. Okay, here is the chicken after 3 hours. Okay, and then this baking dish, transfer the potatoes in the baking dish. Just assemble them carefully. Okay, and then place the chicken on top. Yeah, place it on top. This will help the chicken drizzling on top of the veggies, and then bake this in a preheated oven. I preheated my oven at 220 degrees Celsius, and then I bake this for 45 to 50 minutes. Yeah, and it is ready. It is ready, you guys. Just look at that. Look how delicious, how juicy. The crispy on the outside and tender, succulent, juicy chicken is ready to be enjoyed. This can go as dinner, as your main dish or side dish. You can still have this with some jollof, and it is going to taste amazing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.